Hello, welcome back to How To Cooking. I'm Michael Webb, and today I'm doing another HelloFresh how to. I eat HelloFresh 3 or 4 times a week and have been for a while, and really fell in love with it. Like the quality of the meals, the pricing, the fact that I don't spontaneous shop or overspend or have to get more than I need for what I'm cooking that week and stuff when I go to the grocery store. So became a fan of them. I figured since I'm going to be cooking them each week, I ought to do some videos with them to add to the ones I'm going to be putting on our site, like favorites of friends. So these are legitimate. These aren't promos. This is us legitimately checking out the quality and how easy it is to cook, the amount of time, and of course, as always, I give it a good taste test at the end, and I have some reliable taste testers. My Jack Russell, Princess Dynamite, she wouldn't lie. I don't think dogs can lie. And my teenage son, who, as teenagers go, he wouldn't lie for me. So he's being genuine with his results, and I am too. Occasionally we'll have guest tasters on here, but you can always count on Princess Dynamite and Hudson for most of them. We do have a guest taster today, and that would be Bo. This is a good friend of mine, Allison Bridges' dog. Bo is Beaux, for those of y'all not from Louisiana. And Bo is also an LSU fan, so you can trust Bo to give you a good assessment when he tries today's dish. Today's dish is going to be meatloaf a la mom with roasted potatoes, and it's supposed to be roasted broccoli. But I do a little change up here for time, space, everything else, and for our preference. My son would rather the broccoli be steamed, so I take the broccoli, I put it in a microwave safe bowl, and I put about 1 or 2 tablespoons of water on it and some salt and pepper, and then we microwave it for 7 minutes, and that gets it pretty much like we like our broccoli. So I have a little more room on my trays. I can use smaller trays because I'm not having to spread the broccoli out. We're also going to be making a gravy with this, and I don't have any tips until I've tried this. But I can tell you, anytime you're making a gravy or a roux or anything, be sure to start whisking as soon as you're putting that flour in there and stuff to keep it from lumping up and get you a good smooth gravy. So I'll tell you that right. What do you call a fake potato? An imitator. You call James Bond in a soapy bath. What do you call a baked potato that is angry? Call it anything, just butter it up first. What do you call a French fry with glasses? Spectator. who the world's most powerful potato is? Darth Tater. Why was the potato reluctant to jump in the hot water? He was a hesitator. You know what potatoes with right angles are? Square roots. What is it when a French fry makes fun of you? A tater taunt. Well, I'm just getting the stuff in the oven, and my roasted potatoes, or my potato wedges that will be roasted potatoes, are already angry at the gravy. What you gonna do? Tater's gonna tate. All right, and now for what is the most interesting part of these for me, and I hope is entertaining for y'all. We will have the taste test. We will let our visitor go first. So Bo's going to go first, and then of course royalty and ladies, and that would be Jada, Princess Dynamite, and then my son and I'll give it a try. Let y'all know what we think of the meatloaf a la mom. All right, to show you that the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, my kid gave me a dad joke this morning, so I'm going to leave y'all with this one from my kid. What do you call James Bond in a soapy bath? 007.